Hello friends, this is Atul and I welcome you again to another interesting video update. So I have a spare action camera at home, and just like you, after every holiday or a long tour, I wonder what do I do of this. I don't find many uses scenarios of this. So I was looking to find out if we can use this as a CCTV camera or not. And fortunately, there's a way that you can use it as a full-blown CCTV camera, and I'm here to show you just that. So yeah, without further ado, let's just jump into the video. So to use this action camera as a CCTV, we need these four things. The first one is that there should be a continuous power supply. So you can do that using your regular USB-C charger. And I have actually tried it with the 20-watt fast charger. So you can try other varieties as well. And so it does work that way. And secondly, you have to have the ability to work without the battery. So it should work without the battery inside, because if you use it non-stop without removing the battery will get damaged and it may get stolen or may even burn out. It should have the ability to work without the battery. That fortunately it does have. And the third one is the loop recording option. So that is the basic requirement of any CCTV camera, that it should be able to record in a loop, and the older footage should be deleted so to make space for the new one. So it does have that ability as well. And the final thing is that the screen should be off while recording, and that is for the purpose of it remaining anonymous, and also for preserving the screen, because it can have a burnout if you use it for hours for turned on. So it does have that ability as well. So I am simply going to show you quickly how you can do that. So first of all, you need to remove the battery from its compartment here, and then you have to just plug your charger inside the port and it will turn on. As you can see, it is on now. So there are some settings that you need to tinker to make it work. So the first one is done, and now the second one is also done. Now you have to enable the loop recording option. So for that, you should be in your video mode. Yeah, so this is the video mode, and then you have to select resolutions, and it should be the lowest so that you can record maximum. But if you want really high quality ones, then pop in high storage card and go all the way up as you want. And then this is an option here that is for looping. So right now it's showing max. I am not sure if you can see or not. It's showing max. So you have to select max only, because otherwise you will have very shorter clips and only last 1 hour or 30 minutes or 20 minutes. That kind of recording will be saved. So you can select the maximum loop here for longer duration of video. So you have selected that. So now the loop recording option is also enabled. Okay, and now finally the screen should be off while recording. So to do that, you have to simply I think you have to tap here while you are recording only. Yeah, once you've started to record, you have to tap on the screen, and you can select the timeout from here, screen timeout. So ideally it should be the lowest time possible. So I'm keeping it at 3 seconds. So you will notice now that after 3 seconds, the camera is now, both the screens are now off. So basically this is now a high quality CCTV camera in your hand without spending that much for a brand new 4K CCTV camera. So I hope you found this video interesting. And yes, I have not tried it for extended durations. So that's a word of caution here, because maybe if you try it for continuously for some days or maybe more, then it might damage the camera. So I am not liable for that. This is just a proof of concept that it can be done, and I think it should be harmless if you use it for a few hours and you have to keep an eye off on your kids or on a particular area, or maybe you have parked your car somewhere and you want to make sure that you have a vigilance of that. So you can use it for that purpose. There could be other use scenarios as per your requirements. So do give this video a thumbs up if you liked what you saw, and do subscribe for more such interesting, useful content. Have a good day.